Congratulations on your new baby. Congratulations on your new baby. Congratulations on your new baby. Be sure to get your act together. Be sure to get your act together. Be sure to get your act together. I apologize for bothering you. I apologize for bothering you. I apologize for bothering you. See you later. See you later. See you later. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. I know, but you said so. I know, but you said so. I know, but you said so. Why don't you put on a sweater? Why don't you put on a sweater? Why don't you put on a sweater? How many days until your birthday? How many days until your birthday? How many days until your birthday? That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Excuse me, but I was next. Excuse me, but I was next. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Let me put this away. Let me put this away. Maybe it's mean to be. Maybe it's mean to be. I can't help laughing. I can't help laughing. There's a reason for that. There's a reason for that. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? I'm into you. I'm into you. That sounds like a lie to me. That sounds like a lie to me. It's about time to get up. It's about time to get up. What's wrong? What's wrong? That's why I said that. That's why I said that. I know, but it's so hard. I know, but it's so hard. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. I wonder how. I wonder how. That's a quite coincidence. That's a quite coincidence. Why would you say that? Why would you say that? I should get going. I should get going. Why are you late? Why are you late? Guys really like me, you know? Guys really like me, you know? I don't care about anything. I don't care about anything. How did you get here? How did you get here? How can you catch her attention? How can you catch her attention? I told you so. I told you so. Where do I begin? Where do I begin?
Never rains here. It almost never rains here. Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? I wish our classroom were air-conditioned. I wish our classroom were air-conditioned. I wish our classroom were air-conditioned. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. We had a very hot summer this year. We had a very hot summer this year. We had a very hot summer this year. My sister is having a baby in June. My sister is having a baby in June. My sister is having a baby in June. The car is very fast. The car is very fast. The car is very fast. He got up earlier than usual. He got up earlier than usual. He got up earlier than usual. The boy tried moving the heavy sofa. The boy tried moving the heavy sofa. The boy tried moving the heavy sofa. I want to eat something. I want to eat something. I want to eat something. He was very happy. He was very happy. He was very happy. The girls began to laugh. The girls began to laugh. The girls began to laugh. I'm sorry, I dropped my knife. I'm sorry, I dropped my knife. I'm sorry, I dropped my knife. Please pass me the butter. Please pass me the butter. Please pass me the butter. We saw clouds above the mountain. We saw clouds above the mountain. We saw clouds above the mountain. My telephone is out of order. My telephone is out of order. My telephone is out of order. The fruit went bad. The fruit went bad. The fruit went bad. That boy is running. That boy is running. That boy is running. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. He was patient. He was patient. He was patient. The boy ran away. The boy ran away.